Have you ever noticed things that repeat around you, like stripes on a zebra or colors on a rainbow? Look at the numbers and lines on this ruler. Patterns are everywhere around us. Hello and welcome to our video on patterns, and today we are going to explore different types of patterns. Patterns help us understand the world better by making things predictable and easier to recognize. Let us learn and understand more types of patterns. So stay tuned until the end of the video. What are repeating patterns? Repeating patterns are sequences that have the same elements in the same order over and over again. They are easy to recognize and predict because they follow a specific rule or set of rules. Zebra stripe is an example of repeating pattern. See the picture of zebra? The black and white stripes are repeating. Here black, white, and what is the next one? Yes, again black. So black and white stripes are repeating. Can you think of anything else with stripes like this? Yes, it's a tiger. Each tiger has a unique pattern or vertical stripes. The colors in a rainbow always appear in the same order. Although the colors do not repeat within a single rainbow, they create a consistent pattern. What is a number pattern? A number pattern is a sequence of numbers that follow a rule. In fact, every pattern follows a special rule. Now let's look at a sequence that follows a simple rule. Here is a number line starting from 0. And the sequence is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what is the next number? By adding 2 each time, after 10 it is going to be 12 and then 14. Now take one more. Here the sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and the next two numbers are 11 and 13, and here also the rule is add 2 each time. Take next example. Here we are starting from 10 and the rule is add 20. So we get 30, next is 50, then 70 and 90, and it goes on. Every time we add 20 to it, it goes on like that. Now take one more example. The number line is now showing 0, 10, 20, 30. So what is the rule here? Here the rule is add 10. And here one more example. 5, 10, 15, 25 is given and the rule is plus 5. That is, you have to add 5 every time. So here there are 2 vacant spaces. Now what will you get here when you add 5 to 15? 20, and 5 to 25 will give you 30. Next is shape patterns. Here is an example of shape pattern. Circle, square, circle, square. So here is a white circle, a red square, white circle, red square, white circle, red square, white circle. What comes next? A square. Next pattern. Again here you have white circle, yellow circle, and it is getting repeated. What comes next after white circle? Yellow circle. Now here one square, triangle, triangle, square, triangle, triangle. So what comes next? A square. You can try making your own shape patterns. Next is growing patterns. A growing pattern is something that gets bigger or increases with each step. Now this is the first step, a combination of 3 different shapes. You'll see that it's going on increases with each step. Next, take a square, then 2 squares, then 3 squares, then 4 squares. What will come next? 5 squares. Can you tell me a real life example? Real life examples of growing pattern, you can take it as staircase or stacking blocks. Next is letter patterns. Letter patterns repeat a sequence of letters. These patterns help in understanding sequences. For example, AB, AB, AB. What comes next? Again AB. One more example, AB, ABC, ABCD, and it goes on like that. Recognizing letter patterns can help young children learn to read and spell. Sound patterns repeat sounds in a certain order. Now here there are 3 questions. You have to complete the sound pattern. First one is clap, pause, clap, clap, pause, clap, 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 pause. So what will come next? That will be 4 claps. Clap, 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 clap. Next is clap, snap, clap, snap, clap, snap, clap, snap. So the same thing will be repeated again. Third one is clap, clap, stamp, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, stamp. So next also will be clap, clap, stamp, stamp. Here you can see some color patterns. These are rainbow colors, 7 rainbow colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Here also same way, 7 colors. These are different color patterns. Color pencils, watercolors and color brush. Next is decoration patterns. Decoration patterns repeat designs or colors. Here you can see a decoration pattern with repeating mango leaf and red flower. We use decoration patterns for decorating the surroundings for different occasions. Patterns are used in decorations like wallpapers or clothing. Decoration patterns in art and crafts often involve repeating shapes, colors, or designs. These patterns can be found in things like festive wrapping paper, on handmade cards, or intricate beadwork on jewelry, also on tile floor designs.
Let's test your observation skills. Can you spot the hidden animal patterns in nature?
Thanks for spotting.
Amazing, right? Patterns are everywhere, even in nature. From stripes to spots, patterns help animals survive and blend in. Now you know that patterns are not just in math, but all around us. Great job! We have now learned all types of patterns. Keep exploring patterns around you. They are everywhere in daily life. Patterns help make things easier, more organized, and more fun. You can find patterns in your clothes, floors, and even in nature. Understanding patterns can also help you build good habits, like sleep and exercise routines. So, keep observing, keep practicing, and enjoy learning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun math lessons. Stay tuned for our next video on money.
Bye. Take care.